In the vast universe, where wonders quietly unfold across the endless sky, one remarkable star has captured human curiosity for generations. Its name is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant glowing brightly in the shoulder of Orion, one of the most well-known constellations. For centuries, Betelgeuse has amazed observers and scientists with its deep red color and enormous presence. It's more than just a star. It's a celestial giant nearing a very special phase in its journey through the cosmos. Easily visible with the unaided eye, Betelgeuse has always stood out. Its unique reddish hue and gentle pulsing hint at its enormous size and fascinating behavior. Roughly 700 times larger in size than our Sun, this massive star is entering the final chapters of its natural life cycle. But instead of quietly fading, it may undergo a transformation so luminous that it could temporarily light up our sky. Scientists worldwide are watching closely, because Betelgeuse is unlike any nearby star we've ever observed at this stage. Recently, Betelgeuse began acting unusually. Its brightness surged by 50%, making it one of the brightest stars visible from Earth. This sudden change sparked excitement and discussion across the scientific community. Was it a rare surface event, or part of a larger transition? Could we be witnessing a turning point in the life of this magnificent object? To understand why this is so important, we need to understand what happens when a massive star reaches the final part of its cycle. When it runs low on the energy that supports it, changes can occur within, resulting in shifts in brightness and shape. In some cases, these shifts can lead to the release of vast amounts of material and energy. This isn't just a spectacular light display. It's a chance for scientists to study the life cycles of stars and how they contribute to the makeup of the universe. Back in late 2019, Betelgeuse surprised observers by dimming dramatically. It lost over half of its usual brightness, becoming noticeably fainter even to casual skywatchers. This wasn't subtle, it was easy to see without any equipment. The world began to wonder what was happening. Experts quickly began investigating. Some believed that clouds of dust might be partially blocking its light, while others thought the cause might be a natural change within the star itself. Using the Very Large Telescope in Chile, astronomers captured detailed images showing that Betelgeuse appeared slightly lopsided. This uneven shape hinted that the star may have released an enormous amount of material from its outer layers, something like a powerful cosmic outflow. This release was huge. About 400 billion tons of gas and dust were pushed out into space. That's many times more than anything our Sun typically releases. This massive event changed the star's rhythm, shortening its usual pattern from 400 days to just 200 days. This adjustment in timing may signal deeper processes happening inside the star. What does this all mean? When a massive star like Betelgeuse reaches a certain point, changes in its internal balance can lead to even larger transformations. One of the first clues that something major is occurring would be the arrival of tiny, fast-moving particles called neutrinos. These neutrinos would travel to Earth before any visible light changes, offering scientists a valuable early signal to prepare their instruments. And if Betelgeuse does undergo such a major transformation, the result could be breathtaking. The star might shine so brightly that it becomes visible during daylight and even casts shadows at night. It would become one of the most awe-inspiring sights ever seen in our sky, an event that could be remembered for generations. Thanks to modern observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope and the VLT, scientists have an unmatched view of what's happening with Betelgeuse. These advanced tools have revealed massive structures of gas and dust around the star, indicators that it is going through a significant stage in its evolution. In late 2023, the James Webb Telescope detected signs that the inside of Betelgeuse was changing rapidly. These internal shifts affected how the star generates energy and altered the way its surface expanded and contracted. Previously, the outer layers of Betelgeuse had a slow rhythm of change every 400 days. Now, that cycle has sped up to just 200 days. Such a rapid change may be a sign that something big is underway. Think of it like the heartbeat of the star getting faster, a possible sign that it's nearing a major turning point. Scientists believe the star is now generating heavier elements within its core. When stars reach this phase, the internal processes may eventually reach a point where further changes become inevitable. There is still much debate about when Betelgeuse might enter its most dramatic phase. Some researchers believe it could happen in hundreds of years, while others say it might be thousands. Regardless of the timeline, scientists continue to monitor it every day, searching for the tiniest clues. One key signal scientists are hoping to catch is a sudden increase in neutrinos. These particles could give us a heads-up hours before any visible signs appear. While the event would be visually spectacular, it would not be harmful to Earth. Betelgeuse is more than 600 light-years away, far enough that it poses no risk. The only impact would be a stunning light show in our sky. Such an event would also offer an incredible opportunity for science. Observing Betelgeuse during its most active phase would help us understand how stars influence galaxies, how they distribute elements into space, and how those elements eventually help form new stars, planets, and possibly even life. Betelgeuse challenges what we think we know about how stars behave. By studying it, we can learn more about the history of the universe and even our own origins. With today's technology, we can observe, simulate, and analyze stars in more detail than ever before. The discoveries made through Betelgeuse will guide future space research for decades to come. For scientists and explorers alike, stars like Betelgeuse are symbols of mystery, wonder, and knowledge. They remind us how small we are and how connected everything in the universe truly is. The carbon in our bodies, the oxygen we breathe, the iron in our blood, all of it was made in stars like Betelgeuse long ago. So the next time you look up at Orion's belt, take a moment to find that reddish point of light near the shoulder. That's Betelgeuse, a star nearing a major transition. Will it surprise us in our lifetime? Or is it simply continuing its long cosmic journey? Let us know what you think. Are we seeing the beginning of something truly extraordinary, or just another step in this star's cycle? Share your thoughts and don't forget to like, follow, and turn on notifications for more amazing stories from the universe. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.